Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isfahan bin Julia, and today I will be presenting on manufacturing company that has implemented IR 4.0. So now let's proceed on to this slide. So here we have the introduction and background of the company that I decided to choose for my case study, which is Bosch. So a little bit of introduction on Bosch. So Bosch is a leading global supplier of technology and services in various sectors. So what is these various sectors that we are talking about? So these sectors include automotive technology sectors, industrial technology sectors, consumer goods, energy and building technology sectors. As for automotive technology sectors, they are involving in making some parts for the car, and industrial technology involving a robotic technology, automotive um, technology for manufacturing of goods inside of the company, and then consumer goods including house appliances and power tools, and energy and building energy involving on how they create sustainable um, green buildings, on how they want to achieve energy efficiency, on creating um, or reducing the carbon footprints. So now, as we can see here, this is the background of the company. We can see the picture of the founder, which is Robert Bosch, literally in the middle of this group photo, right? Or we can see his photo literally on the left side on this slide. So he is Robert Bosch. He founded the Bosch in 1886, and the company HQ is in Gerlingen, Germany. As you can see here, there is a map provided, so you can see its location. And Bosch actually operates over 150 countries globally, and employ approximately 400,000 associates worldwide. And the company is known for its innovative products and solutions, driven by a strong commitment to research and development. As we can see, they literally have a strong implementation and adaptation on IR 4.0 elements. So now let's further continue on our discussion. So as for this section, I'm going to talk about the adoption of IR 4.0 pillars by this company, which is Bosch company. So basically, Bosch company, one of the IR 4.0 that they adopted is basically I, IoTs, or Internet of Things. So Bosch uses IoTs to connect machine systems and products, enabling seamless communication and data exchange. And the software that Bosch actually used is called Bosch IoT Suite, which is a comprehensive platform for IoT applications which facilitates device management, data collection, and analytics. As you can see on the right corner of this slide, we have a flowchart process of the IoT implemented by Bosch. So this flowchart consists of devices, protocols, gateway, and cloud backend. In cloud backend, user literally can monitor the real-time data from devices that literally output data onto the gateway. So from this gateway, it provides a real-time data from the devices for the cloud backend into the monitor, so that the user can monitor the data, real-time data of what is going on the manufacturing process of the company, right? So if anything is happen, they can do some optimization towards the system flow, towards the manufacturing line, right? The second pillars of IR 4.0 that Bosch actually adopts is big data analytics. So from uh, from these big data analytics pillars that they adopted, Bosch actually leveraged the big data analytics in order to optimize the production processes, which can enhance quality control and predict maintenance need. How do they predict the maintenance need? Is by using the Osram Ticket Manager, like the picture on the left corner on this slide that you can see. Literally, this application literally notified them on when the machine, where the machinery or any equipment that needs a maintenance, right? Hence, they can efficiently uh, protect the quality of the product they produce. So the software that Bosch use are various analytic tools, including Bosch Production Performance Manager for real-time data analysis and decision making. So now we are going to the third pillars that Bosch company adopted, which is called simulation. So Bosch actually employs digital twins and simulation technologies to design, test, and optimize manufacturing processes. So what it means by digital twins is that it is a virtual representation of an object, of the real object. So basically, when Bosch employs this, literally they can see the life cycle of their product, or maybe their manufacturing processes as well. They can see the life cycle of their manufacturing processes and their products. So they can efficiently optimize how the processes is going to last, and how the simulation on their product, the testing, and how the product is going to efficiently being produced, right? Hence improve the quality of the product and also the quality of their manufacturing processes. The software that they use on the simulation process is basically tools like Bosch simulation solutions, which are used to create virtual models of production systems and processes, where they literally did a testing optimization and see how it's basically like a experimentation and simulation at the same time, which they can provide a real time data, right, to see how it went. As you can see here, this is basically a detailed simulation plan for manufacturing processes flow, or manufacturing simulation for Bosch company, which they can literally, by doing a simulation, they can see where the material goes on this manufacturing line. Additive manufacturing. Bosch incorporates 3D printing for prototyping and producing complex components, which reduce lead times and costs. The software that they use is advanced CAD and additive manufacturing software. Typically consists of ANSYS, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, so on and so forth, to streamline the design to production process. And the reason why they use additive manufacturing, because it allows for rapid prototyping. Additive manufacturing can make a quicker prototype, which allows for faster iteration and refinement during design phase, and it allows for functional testing, so that they can resolve potential issues on the prototype in order in their development phase, right? In autonomous robot IR 4.0 pillars, Bosch utilized autonomous robot for tasks such as material handling, data storage, flexible manufacturing, production line docking, etc. As you can see, just like the figure above. And the software that Bosch uses integrates a robotic solution with advanced control software for efficient and precise operations. So now we are heading on to our last section of this case study, which is benefits of IR 4.0 in Bosch company. So one of the benefits of IR 4.0 in this company is increased efficiency. So Bosch adoption of automated systems and real-time data analytics has significantly improved production efficiency and reduced downtime. Why? Because through IoTs and big data analytics, they can predict any failure of machinery ahead of time. So basically, they can do a predictive maintenance, right? So they can keep make sure that the manufacturing line is always ongoing, right? So they can make early maintenance. So and then through the IoTs, by using a back end application, through monitor, they can literally make analysis on the real-time data provided by the gateway through by the devices on the manufacturing line. So they can provide any feedback or anything that signifies any error on the manufacturing line. Hence, action can be taken considerably early. Secondly, the benefits of IR 4.0 in Bosch company is basically improved quality. Advanced monitoring and quality control system have enhanced product quality and consistency, which leads to higher customer satisfaction. Because by, like for example, by implementing IoT and big data analytics, the real-time acquisition data can be provided through the back end application, and user can basically monitor how the assembly line or manufacturing line going on. If there is any error, early consideration of action can be taken. Any predictive maintenance or corrective maintenance can be proceeds early.
So now we are continuing on the benefits of IR 4.0, which is cost savings. So how it can be cost saving? Because of predictive maintenance and optimized resource utilization can result in substantial cost savings and reduce operational expenses through the manufacturing process in Bosch company. Another benefits of IR 4.0 in Bosch is basically it gives flexibility and customization. Digital twins and simulation tools have enabled Bosch to rapidly adapt to changing market demands and customize products efficiently. Lastly, the benefits of IR 4.0 on Bosch is basically sustainability. Bosch has integrated energy efficient technologies and sustainable practices into its manufacturing processes, which reduce its environmental impact. This can be seen through their initiatives on developing a green building as their initiative to reduce carbon emission and carbon footprints. That's all for me. Thank you.